Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are checking out another HMT watch for you guys. So this one, it's called HMT Plus JLSL 01. So that's the exact model number. And to be honest guys, this watch is pretty hard to get. This has got a huge demand, and there is another model for this watch that's completely silver dial, but this one is a blue indices one, and this comes with this mesh bracelet. Okay, now let's talk about the watch. It has got a 35.5 mm case diameter. Lug to lug it's 42, lug width is 18, and the case back, it's a stainless steel case back. However, the case is made up of brass, not stainless steel, but the case back is of stainless steel. Okay, and this has got a very beautiful classic that race watch kind of a vibe. This looks very beautiful dial, and this is the stock bracelet. Comes with this HMT logo buckle. Okay, and the watch is little small for average wrist, and this has got a very small crown to it. Okay, and this is the case back. This has got a stainless steel case back, but the case is of brass. Okay, and it has got a 3 bar water resistance, so don't expect to take it out in the rain or anything. The watch won't be surviving that. Okay, now let's talk about the dial in details. Here we can see it has got a very beautiful classic dial, and at 12 o'clock here we have the HMT Plus logo. At 6 o'clock we have the Quartz logo. The watch at the center part of the watch is has a very nice texture to it, and comes with this very beautiful enamel coating hands, blue hands with the arrow marker blue second hand, and the minute markers are printed in blue, and on the chapter ring, and the hour markers are also metallic blue in color, and that sits inside a silver ring, which looks really beautiful, and it shines beautifully under the sunlight. Thank you for watching this video.